त्वं नाम विवेचनम् अथ त्वं नाम विवेचनम्.
Interpretation of the exhortation you. Exhortation means the way of addressing. How a person behaves with us or how a person responds to us depends on how we address that person, and that is why this exhortation is very important. When we address someone with respect, the person becomes happy and listens to what we are saying or obeys whatever we tell that person. Here we are going to see how the exhortation as you is used at different places and how it works. This explanation is needed because we are actually addressing a part of our own self that is manifested in front of us as you, and thereby we are creating a duality within us. This is because for our convenience we are treating this reflection of ourselves as someone else, and this is the root cause of duality between our inactive, ignorant, helpless and irresponsible part that we all are aware of and that we all call as our own soul or our own self, and the active, all-knowing, intelligent, resourceful and responsible part of our being that we are seeing in front of us. In short, this part, Tvam Nama Vivechanam, will tell us in brief and in very crisp words as to how we all are just considering the God Almighty, all-knowing, all-powerful being whom we all worship as somebody different from us, not because it is different from us, but because we all who are the reflections of the same person, the same being, the same consciousness, we all want to run away from our own responsibilities. We all do not want to own the responsibility of what happens to us, what we do, how we live our life, how we create our life. We do not want to own any responsibility, and that is the reason why we have created this Tvam, that is you identity of that all-knowing, all-powerful everything, which is actually a part of our own self. But if we own that, if we accept it, then we will have to own the responsibility of whatever is happening to us, and our big, huge ego will never permit it, right? That is the biggest problem, and we are going to see how this is done in a very systematic way by us. And of course, once we realize it, it will be easy to come out of that trap which we have created for our own self, right? So just see and keep watching.